Welcome back to the iGaming channel. Today we're tackling a key question. How do you choose the right casino affiliate program for you? Let's break it down in 5 steps. We have a list of our top iGaming affiliate programs at casinomarketing.shop. Step 1. Reputation and legitimacy. Start with well-known operators and networks. Check industry reviews and player feedback to ensure timely payouts and reliable tracking. Step 2. Commission structure. Compare CPA versus revenue share versus hybrid deals. CPA gives you a one-time fee per sign-up, while revenue share pays you a percentage of the player's losses over time. Choose the model that matches your cash flow goals. Step 3. Cookie duration and tracking. Longer cookie windows, 30 to 90 days, mean you still earn commissions even if the player comes back later. Make sure the affiliate platform uses robust tracking tech to prevent lost conversions. Step 4. Marketing tools and creatives. Look for programs with high-quality banners, landing pages, and customizable creatives. Easy-to-use assets save time and boost conversion rates. Step 5. Payment terms and support. Review minimum payout thresholds, payment methods and schedule, monthly or bi-monthly, and make sure dedicated affiliate managers are on hand for questions and optimization tips. Check out our list of the best iGaming affiliate programs at www.casinomarketing.shop.